If you want WhatsApp to automatically reply to messages, here's how you can do it easily. First, note that the official WhatsApp app doesn't have a built-in auto-reply feature, but you can use WhatsApp Business, which is free and has an auto-reply tool. Start by downloading and installing WhatsApp Business from your App Store. Once installed, open WhatsApp Business and set up your account. Next, go to Settings, Business Tools, and Away Message. Turn on Send Away Message, then write the message you want people to get automatically when you're away. You can also schedule when the auto-reply is active. For example, outside work hours, or set it to always send. Don't forget to select which contacts should receive the auto-reply, like everyone or just certain groups. Once set, your WhatsApp Business will reply automatically with your message whenever someone sends you a message during your away time. That's it, a simple way to enable auto-reply on WhatsApp using the Business app. Thank you for watching How to Literally, where we keep things smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.